internal CSS is a type of CSS that we put inside the body together with the HTML in the HTML code. Now we don't have to create an external CSS file, no. So we type style, style, press on the tab key, then now whatever you are typing will now be applied. So let's say h1. When I type your h1, also when I type your h1, you have to also open a curly brace automatically to close the curly brace for you. And I can now say that the width should be what? Just 20 pixels. And with a semicolon. Then the width became 20 pixels. And also we have what? The external CSS. The external CSS is the one that you have to create a file, then you have to go to the head part of your HTML, then you type link, and then where it says href, you put the name of your CSS. So you can now go inside the CSS file and start writing the code, and it will be applied to your HTML. Then we have the inline CSS, the one that they said that we should not do, no, is not the best. The div, no, and okay, let's do the div, that specific div, you go to it, now you type the word style, style, put an equal to sign, then it will expect you to put in the stylings. So you say background color, it will automatically open a column and then close it for you. Background color, let's choose like something like, is it berrywood or something, berrywood? Okay. I was expecting to see it. Because of our external CSS, it has override this one. Maybe probably we should disconnect the CSS at the top and then see it at work. Control plus / to, you know, yeah, so that has now applied there. So if in case you write some CSS inline and then you don't like it, you can still override it. You can still, if you write some inline CSS, if you put CSS style inside a div tag like we just did, style, write it open with quotation and start putting the properties, the CSS properties. Then if you don't like that, you can create a CSS file and then go and override them. Okay, you can make changes to them. That would be also very nice. But then by industry standard, they said that we should avoid this type of styling. And also this one, if things are not that constrained, avoid this type of styling. Choose the external CSS so that you can link only this file to multiple HTML pages, index, about page, contact page, you know, log in, log out with only this one CSS. But with this style, the one that you write inside here, no, you have to copy it and go and paste it in every div that you create. That would be a pain. That would be a pain, and you don't love that. So it's better you do the external one, so that once you just put this thing at the top, Control plus S, let me see, nothing is there, right? Because I've commented this. Let me uncomment them. Control plus / again, Control plus S, it has not applied. You can link this. If I can link this same styling to another, if I go and create another HTML page, let's say about the HTML, and I assign it to a class of choice, all that styles that I did with the choice will all be applied to that particular div. How awesome! It's very, very awesome. So try and stick to what? The external CSS style. Okay. The next thing I will look at, so we have looked at borders, we have looked at borders, we have looked at padding, we have looked at the margin, and then let me see, we have looked at colors, we have looked at selectors, we have looked at the inline and external CSS, the syntax as well. The height and the width, like I said, everything has height and a width. Okay, even the div HP items, they also have height and width. Yes. Then the CSS icons today I will not treat it. Yes. Then positioning, the opacity we can do opacity today. Okay, where it says, let me clean this, opacity. Always whenever you see this white circle dot, it means that the page has not been saved. You have to Control plus S then to apply that. The H1, since we are still pointing to it, let me clean the top one. Okay, let us apply the opacity. Opacity is a property that we use to, tell whether something is deep colored or it is fainted, whether something is deepened or it is what, fainted. That is about opacity. So let's say opacity, what do you say? Let's write 30 and see. Let's go back to our page. 30%. All right, so the unit was expected 30%. Things are faded out. How about even 20%? What happens is that the words are there but they faded out, cannot be seen clearly. So that is pretty much it about opacity. Send it back to 100% of opacity and then things will get more clearer. See, that's it about opacity. So there are other what about font? Let's do font here.